In this video, we're going to go ahead and build our project so that we can share it with the world. Before we begin, select your collab on top and make sure you make your final commit. So go ahead and say final commit, game complete, and publish now. This will allow you to save your final changes to the cloud so that next time you revisit this project, you can make sure you're up to date. The next thing we want to do is head over to File, Build Settings, and make sure your current scene is added. If you don't see it here in the Scenes and Build, select Add Open Scenes and that will add the current scene. From there, choose the platform, PC, Mac, and Linux standalone, and then choose your target platform. For me, I only have Windows installed, so I'm going to build for Windows. Select Build, and you'll choose a file location. It's important to note that you cannot build this to the assets directory. You must place it outside of your actual project, so I'm going to go ahead and save mine to the desktop. Go ahead and call it Sci-Fi Demo. Save, and this will go ahead and compile your project. This will take several minutes, so I'll see you when it gets done. When your game is finished compiling, you should have a folder pop up with your Sci-Fi Demo exe or DMG file if you're on a Mac. Go ahead, double click your application, and it will launch this default editor launcher. Choose beautiful graphics quality and choose your screen resolution. From here, you can go ahead and click play, and it will launch your game and you'll be able to play it out as normal. And as you can see here, you can go ahead and collect the coin, my weapon, and we can destroy the box. Okay, now when sharing this game with your friends, it's important to remember that the Sci-Fi Demo data must get shipped with the actual application launcher. So for Mac users, you're just going to have a DMG file that you can pass around. For Windows users, you're going to have the exe file, which is actually just a launcher. And then you actually have your Sci-Fi Demo data, which actually stores all of our actual code and everything that makes up our game. So when shipping this off to a friend, I highly recommend you create a new folder, call it Sci-Fi Game, and make sure you place the launcher as well as the demo data inside of it. Now you can go ahead and launch the launcher, and it will pull directly from the Sci-Fi Demo data. So you'll zip up this folder and you'll be able to share it with the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.